Hello everyone! You already know about what is number base, digit value and the place value, and right now we're gonna take a look for the number value. Let's take a look.
The numerical value of a number in various base determined from calculating the sum of the digit value of the number. Before we already determine the digit value, we already know how to find the digit value, and now we're gonna look and determine the numerical value, or we can call it number value. There is two methods. The first method is collection process, and the second method is adding digits value using blocks. Okay, let's take a look for the example. The first example, 11001 base 2. Okay, we make a table, and the first row is a number. As always, we're gonna arrange the number 11001, and the place value is we start from the right, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4. Okay, and then the third row is a number value. Okay, we can see from this, okay, 1 times 2 power of 4. Okay, what is this? This is the digit value for this number, for this digit. Okay, and then we plus with the digits value of this digit. Okay, is the digit value addition of a digit value of this number. Okay, 1 times 2 power of 3 plus 0 times 2 power of 2 plus 0 times 2 power of 1 plus 1 times 2 power of 0, and then we calculate it. Okay, we can get the final answer is 25 base 10. Why base 10? The final answer by using this is always base 10. Okay, always bear in your mind the final answer is always in the base 10. Let's take a look for another example for you understand it better. And then, okay, second example is 12021 base 3. Okay, for the first row is a number, we arrange the number 12021. The second row is place value. We start from the right, 3 power of 0, 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2, 3 power of 3, 3 power of 4. And the number value is, we determine this digit value first, 1 times 3 power of 4 plus, and the second digit value, 2 times 3 power of 3 plus, the third digit value, 0 times 3 power of 2 plus, fourth digit value, 2 times 3 power of 1 plus, the final digit value is 1 times 3 power of 0, and you calculate it and you got the answer is 142 base 10. Okay, look, the final answer is always 10 in base 10. Okay, this is an example of using block. Okay, the question is the same as above. We arrange the number 12021, and then place value, we start from the right, always start from the right and go to the left. Okay, there is for the third row is the digit value. There is one block here because 3 power of 0 is 1. Alright, okay, there is 2 blocks. Okay, in this block there are 3 units. 3, this one block is represent 3 power of 1. There is 2 because it times 2, so there is 6 of unit blocks for the totals. And this is 0 because 0 times 3 power of 2 is 0. So we're not gonna put the block in here because it is 0. Okay, this one is this one block is represent 3 power of 3. Okay, there is 2 block because it's 2. The number is 2. So it's times 2 is going to be 54. Okay, for this one, 3 power of 4. This one block is determined. This one block is represent 3 power of 4, which is active 1 unit in this block. Okay, this is 1 and this is only 1 block. Okay, and the number value is we add all these digit value, 81 plus 54 plus 0 plus 6 plus 1, and then we get the answer 142 base 10. Okay, the final answer is always in base 10. I repeat it again, the final answer is always in base 10. Does the same number with different base have the same value? Do you think it is have the same value or not? Okay, we're gonna determine it by calculating the number value. What does it mean by same number? Okay, we take a look at this two example. The first one is 2, 4, 3 base 8, and the second one is 2, 4, 3 base 5. It's the same number with different bases. This one is base 8, this is base 5. Okay, we're gonna calculate it. Okay, for this question, we're gonna determine does the same number with different base have the same value? Does these two have the same value? Is it have same number value? Okay, we're gonna draw a table. Okay, I already draw a table like this. 2 table. One is for the first example. The second table is for this one. Okay, we find the value for the first example first. This one, you're gonna write 2, 4, 3 base 8. Okay, and the first row is the number. We're gonna arrange the number 2, 4, 3. For the place value, we're gonna start at the most right. This is base 8 and 8 power of 0, 8 power of 1, and then 8 power of 2. For the digit value is the multiplication between number and the place value. Okay, for the most right, 3 times 8 power of 0. Okay, 3 times 8 power of 0 is equal to 3 times 1 equal to 3. For this column is 4 times 8 power of 1, 4 times 8 power of 1, you will get 32. Okay, this one for this column is 2 times 8 power of 2. Okay, you're gonna press your calculator and you get 128. So for the number value is the addition of all the digit value, which is 128 plus 32 plus 3, and you will get, so the final answer is 163 base 10. Okay, do not forget the base 10. Okay, we write the question here. Okay, question here, 2, 4, 3 base 5. We arrange the number 2, 4, 3, and because of this base 5, and at the most right is 5 power of 0, 5 power of 1, 5 power of 2. Okay, for the digit value is the multiplication between the number and the place value. Okay, here 3 times 5 power of 0 is 3. And then 4 times 5 power of 1 is 20. And then 2 times 5 power of 2 is 50. For the number value is the addition of all the digit value, which is 50 plus 20 plus 3. And then you get the final answer is 73 base 10. Okay, the answer is always in the base 10. Okay, let's take a look. Is it have the same? No, it's not the same. If it was base 8, the answer is 163 base 10. If it was base 5, it was 73 base 10. So the conclusion is a same number with a different base does not have the same value. Okay? Let us try another example. Determine the value of the following number. There is 3 examples. Okay, we're gonna take a look how to calculate this. Let us do it together. Okay, let us try this question. Okay, I'm gonna do only one question and you need to do this question. I'm gonna put this question in Google Form and you're gonna determine what's the number value for this both. And I'm gonna do this one. Okay, draw a table like this one. And for the first row is a number, second row is a place value, third row is a digit value, and the last row is a number value. Okay, we're gonna write our number here. It was 340 base 5. We're gonna determine the number value. But first, we're gonna arrange the number, which is 3, 4, and 0. Okay. For the place values, always start at the most right and look at the base. It was base 5, so here is 5 power of 0. Start with 0. Okay, and then 5 power of 1, 5 power of 2. Okay, and then we're gonna determine the digit value for each number. Okay, here is 0 times 5 power of 0, which is 0. 4 times 5 power of 1, which is 20. And then 3 times 5 power of 2, which is 75. And then we're gonna determine the number value, which is the addition of all digit value. Okay, 75 plus 20 plus 0, which is the final answer is 95. And don't forget the base 10. So the final answer is 95 base 10. Okay, we already arrived at the conclusions. And as a conclusion for our lessons today, for the number base, each base has digits from 0 to a digit which is less than its base itself. For such example, base 5, it's made up from digit 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 only. It cannot be 5 or more than 5. It must be less than 5 if it's base 5 for that example. And the 3 things that we focusing is place value, digit value, and the number value. This is important for the next lesson. Okay, that's all from today. Thank you.